Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Whoa. Wow, this looks good. Now, this is built into the vehicle, it looks like.
Yeah.
Wow. So what's your name and what's in here?
Mitchel found 8 XP212s, 2 320 auto tech alternators, 95 amp hour lithium, 4 cab 22s, wired at half.
Okay.
You got it at last demo at TDH when the windshield.
You blew your windshield. I used to have. Oh wait, never mind.
Yeah. We did the windshield, steel plate, and roof.
Wow. Oh man. So is this drivable or trailered more? Or?
I trailer it to shows just because everything like that breaks.
Yeah. Wow. So what's the lithium battery alternator and all of that? How much? And the ratio and tuning and all.
I don't know the ratio off the top of the head because I've changed so much.
Okay.
Like I said, they got the batteries for the King lithiums, 95, 2 320s.
Yeah. Wow. That is solid. Did you do this?
Yeah, 1.5 inch, like I said.
Holy smokes. What's your SPL score like?
Before I redid the sealed section, it was doing a 58. I'm sure it's changed now.
Oh yeah. Wow.
So by next year at TDH, I'll have all this finished extreme and force all.
So you're gonna do like this, but here?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
With four or 6 salt sixes.
Oh my gosh.
Or 8 salt.
That's a big jump in power. Yeah. Wow. Whew. Woo, nice job, man. A lot of fab work done on this.
Oh yeah.
And the echo, you can hear it.
Oh, it echoes, even with the door that's broken.
Yeah, keeping the pressure in. Can I stay underneath the hood?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet. Your voltage is pretty good.
Yeah, it does alright. I got a bad cell in the battery.
Yeah, man, I love to hear it.
Relax, you're about to get rustified.
Taking you down tonight, 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 tonight. I say I'm taking you down tonight, 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 tonight. You know I'm taking you down tonight, 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 tonight. Everywhere I go, all the bitches know me. Swaggin' like a rock. Shorty in the man, I gotta get her, don't even her back to the bed. She gon' ride it like a monkey.
Man, that door is blowing apart, man. Woo, the pressure makes you sneeze. Wow.
So by next year at TDH, I'll have all this finished extreme before salt.
So you're gonna do like this, but here.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
With four or six salt sixes.
Oh my gosh.
Or 8 salt
That's a
sixes.
big jump in power, yeah, wow. Whew. What was that high note? 30, okay, 55, that's what makes it. That made me sneeze. Whew. I appreciate the demo, sorry, the snot's pulling out from the base. Whew, nice job, man. A lot of fab work done on this.
Oh yeah.
And the echo, you can hear it.
Oh yeah, it goes. Even with the door that's broken.
Yeah, keeping the pressure in.